Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 9th August. Let's start. In the year of 1683, on this day, through an order, the British monarchy gave the East India Company the right to declare war or peace in Asia. In the year of 1788, on this day, Ghulam Qadir blinded the Sultan of Delhi Shah Alam II by stabbing his dagger in the eye. In the year of 1831, on this day, steam engine train ran for the first time in America. In the year of 1892, on this day, the two-way telegraph was patented by Thomas Alva Edison. In the year of 1892, on this day, eminent librarian and educationist S. R. Ranganathan was born. In the year of 1925, on this day, revolutionaries robbed a train in Kakori. The aim of the revolutionaries was to loot the government treasury from the train and buy weapons with that money. In the year of 1942, on this day, Mahatma Gandhi was arrested by the British government. In the year of 1945, on this day, the US dropped an atomic bomb on the city of Nagasaki, Japan. In the year of 1962, on this day, Hermann Hesse, a German poet and author, Nobel laureate, passed away. In the year of 1970, on this day, Trilokanath Chakravarti, the great freedom fighter and unsung hero of the country, passed away. He spent 30 years of his life in prison. He was probably the longest serving freedom fighter in prison. In the year of 1971, on this day, the India-Russia Friendship Treaty was signed. In the year of 1989, on this day, Toshiki Kefu became Prime Minister of Japan. In the year of 1993, on this day, Deepa Karmakar, the first Indian female gymnast to compete in Olympics, was born in Agartala, Tripura. In the year of 1999, on this day, Russian President Boris Yeltsin sacked Prime Minister Sergei Stepashin and appointed Vladimir Putin, the head of the intelligence service, as caretaker Prime Minister. In the year of 2005, on this day, NASA's manned space shuttle Discovery landed safely at an airways in California after a 14-day adventure and risky voyage. In the year of 2008, on this day, Mohammad Safi Abdal, Malaysia's cultural minister and parliamentarian, was elected as the new president of the Commonwealth Parliamentary Association with the support of the Indian delegation. In the year of 2010, on this day, Bangla won the Santosh Trophy national football competition after 11 years by defeating Punjab 2-1. In the year of 2018, on this day, Parliament passed the Scheduled Castes and Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Amendment Bill 2018. In the year of 2018, on this day, the National Sports University Bill 2018 was approved by the Parliament. In the year of 2018, on this day, Lok Sabha passed the Central Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill, the Coordinated Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill, the Union Territory Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill, and the Goods and Services Tax State Compensation Amendment Bill. In the year of 2018, on this day, the Union Cabinet approved the proposal to amend the Triple Talaq Bill. In the year of 2020, on this day, Bangladesh decided to build a memorial for Indian soldiers. The country will set up a memorial for Indian soldiers martyred during Bangladesh's struggle for independence from Pakistan in 1971. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Modi had released 17,000 crore rupees in the bank accounts of more than 8.5 crore farmers under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. PM Narendra Modi had launched a rupees 1 lakh crore financing facility under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund for entrepreneurs, farmer groups, agri-startups, agri-tech players. In the year of 2020, on this day, Jabalpur of Chhattisgarh became the first municipal corporation in the country to provide forest land rights certificate to the people of urban area. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.